Today, we talk about tripods. Let's get right into it. Hey everyone, what's going on? Today, I'm going to talk to you about tripods and the easiest way to set one up and the right way to do it, because there is a right way. Over here, I have, I think it's somewhere over here. It says the Uppbeat tripod. This is really cheap on Amazon. It's a good quality tripod. It's quite sturdy. We're not reviewing it something today. You're not sure how to position it to make it so it doesn't fall down. So let's take this tripod over here. So let's take this handle as a directional way. So like basically the way our camera is facing, at least because there's no camera on it right now. So let's say our camera's facing this way and we have our tripod set up this way. So we have two legs in the front, one leg in the back. This is good if your camera's back heavy. So for example, like I have a light over here and this light is front heavy. So back heavy meaning so it won't fall backwards. So that means each leg will support. So if I try over here to make it go backwards, it's not going to go backwards because there's already one leg making sure that it doesn't fall back. But if we have our camera front forward, so the way this is facing right now, so the way this is facing right now, we're gonna have a problem if it falls forward, especially on a camera, because that's what the lens is, and lenses are expensive, cameras are expensive, and we don't want anything to happen to either of them. So the way we deal with that is we just turn it. So now, if you see, we'll position this. So this is technically where our camera is. We have a leg in front. And what this does, it makes sure that nothing falls forward. So our camera is not going to fall forward. And yeah, there's not as much protection in the back. But if you're standing there, that's your protection. So this is a very easy way to set it up. And you think it's not going to make a difference, but it actually does. Like, for example, I'll just show you this light over here. It's a big light and it's on a tripod. So we're not gonna mess with that because it's quite delicate and there's a light bulb in it, but I use the same method. So that way you want to have the tripod for it facing forward because that thing's front heavy. So you want to have it facing forward. I'll show you it all in a clip that I made for our TikTok actually. So if you have TikTok, follow me on TikTok because I post a lot of cool stuff there and very short clips. Yeah, so if something's facing backward, face it backward. Make sure that there's a leg facing backward so you're not gonna have any risk falling it. If it's facing forward, then make sure that there's something in front that's making sure it doesn't fall forward. You don't want to rely on anything, and make sure also to even have sandbags or some kind of weight because that also makes sure that you're protected. Tripods even. Let's see if you can see it on camera. Right here, there's a hook. This one has it, and I think most of them come with it now. So you can put a bag or something on here and that'll center it. So that means that either way, if you have it, yes, it'll be balanced and that means it'll also stay more protected from falling. But you always want to have the trick I just showed you so that you're not risking any of this, even if you forget some weight or regardless of like the wind or whatever, you know. So make sure you have this and use this trick. It's really simple, really easy. And that's why this video is very quick. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any social media, TikTok, Instagram, anything, follow me and we'll connect. And if you have some ideas, let me know too. I really hope you enjoyed this video, got value. If you liked it, click subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.